Hi, Curly. Hello. Here's the berry patch and some of the tomato plants. A little bit of the sunflowers. And those are our apricot trees. And then, of course, here's the chickies. Here's the baby chicks. There's the little gate that we go in right here. There's the gate. And the chicks in the afternoon. They're doing pretty good. One jumped out. We had one jump out today. The first escapee today. It was one of the red ones that come out. I thought it would be this guy right here. Real trapeze artist there. This one's sitting in. That's where they sleep, in that box. Right up there, right in there. They go inside there, and then they go in a little hole there. So it's tough to get them all in here. I like to sit on this wheelbarrow here. And every time I come around, I think they're going to get fed. Stand back a little bit here. Anyway, this is their box, and I leave it open right now. Let it air out during the day. A little water bowl. They like that water bowl right there. And there's some feeders over there. And I got some got their food in here. Coming a real chicken farmer. Real Grandma's chicken farm. Grandma and Grandpa's chicken farm.
Hey.
There's Grandpa. Say hello, Grandpa.
Are you taking them with me?
Yes, I am. There goes Curly. Anyway, there's a chicken farm here. Isn't that pretty sounding music? Oh, here's Grandma. And here's Grandma, too.
Hey.
Hi, Zach. Hi, Nick. Grandma loves you. Grandpa, too. See you later. Bye.